Hello everyone. It is October 2025. Windows 10 support ends on the 14th of this month. If we have a quick look over here, this is official from the Microsoft website. 14th October 2025, all support ends for it. It's end of life. Now, the only thing you need to do is do this. I'm going to quickly close this down and show you how you get there. Click on this, type reg edit. Good to run it as administrator. This is an official Microsoft Windows program. It comes from it. I haven't installed that. That comes with it. It's by Microsoft. Here you go. Click yes, run it as admin. Now when you open it up, it's not going to go to this location. So I'm going to show you what you need to do. I'm just going to make this full screen. So it's computer, and then it's H key local machine. You click on that, and then you get a little drop down. Then once you've got that, you click on system, you'll get this drop down. Then when you get that, click on setup, and then you have most setup. When you click it, this one thing is not here. So I'm just going to quickly double click on that, copy this. This will be put in the description so you can do it yourself. And I'll just copy that so I can create a new one. I'm going to delete it. All good. Right on this, you right click it, and then you click new, reg dword. And the text that I just copied over there, paste it in it, so that's now going to be the name. If it's set to 0, all this is doing is allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU. This is officially from Microsoft, their own happy registry entry. So change it to 1. That makes it known to the installer that you are happy to go ahead with the install, and you know your TPM or CPU is not up to the current version. Okay, there we go. Once you're here, the best way, as I've been saying for many years on my channel, is quite simply download the ISO. How do you get there? In there, just type download Windows 11. Perfect. Over there, you got the same page that I had. I just wanted to show you how it's done. And then download Windows 11 ISO. Click over here, select download multi-edition ISO, confirm, choose a region. Okay, for us we are gonna go for English International. If you're United States or so, click on that, click confirm, and then 64-bit download, click on that, and you'll suddenly see it's starting to download. Now I've already downloaded that. When you download it, it's likely going into your downloads folder, which can be got over here. Close it off. And what I did was just transfer it to the desktop so it's a little bit easier to get running. Open up, it's an ISO file, you will always get that, don't worry. And this is that ISO, the internal contents of it. If you click on setup, you will now see why I said don't worry about it. It's now officially verified by Microsoft. Click yes. Okay, we can choose to download updates now or not now. They do take a bit of time. Click next. Okay, here we go. You're happy to accept the licenses. Okay, and now with status checks, it says this PC does not meet the minimum system requirements. We already knew that, okay, because of the CPU not being there. However, I know for a fact that Windows 11 will run on this computer. It's got enough RAM, it's got a CPU. Even looking at that, it was a version 3 of an Intel chip. So there you go. As long as it says install Windows 10 11 Pro, keep personal files and apps. That's the key thing. I can click over here just to show you. If it came up with only that, what it will do, it will not upgrade all your ready installed programs. So you don't want to be upgrading to Windows 11 this way if it doesn't. So Keep personal files and apps. This is a nice, happy, clean upgrade with everything coming forward. Okay, it's done its checks again. Click install. And now all you have to do is just, I don't know, make a cup of coffee, tea, take a break, come back, depending on how fast your CPU is, your hard drive, your SSD, etc. It'll take a bit of time. Okay, just a quick screen show. So it restarted after going through the last screen, and now we should be getting pretty close to fully upgraded. Another screen like this comes up. Still wait, don't turn off your PC. Okay, and here we go. We have Windows 11. All nice and happy. I'm going to quickly show you a way that you can actually roll back, for example, if it wasn't working, if you didn't like it. Okay, you have a short window of time to do this, but I'll quickly show you that. Okay, when you open up settings and you go to system and then click on recovery, if you get this, you should be able to roll back. There you go. I'll just quickly cancel it. But there you go, guys. A fairly safe upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 10, as it's almost the end. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.